First, search for how to activate NIB OHC policy in Google. Click on the first link. On the right side on the top, you can see that it's an option of My Account. Click on that. Then, right side in the bottom, you can see there's an option of Register Now. Click on that. Now, enter your email address or customer number that has been provided to you and click on Register. Now, you have to enter few details. The first one is your surname. Next is your date of birth, and then is the email address. Now, you have to create your own password. So, enter the password that you would like to set here. And then click on I have read and accepted the terms and condition box, and then click on Save. As you can see, we have successfully activated our profile. So you can see the congratulations message there and your membership has been activated.